We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a for all of me dogs in the streets. I do know this a crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main, feel the pain and it's tough time. All who they a work goes from the tear and the other face tough time.
That's what it.
Just roll up your weight and a nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Come and send about the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success will feature. Life prison don't give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and cleaner. The dirty might have but we cleaner.
Jamaica carries some of the wickedest and lyingest set of people, and we have a talk about that with the Toddler and General B thing. Now, Toddler come out in an interview with a voice note where him said that General B back knife at him behind the scene and tried to stab him up. And I watched the video, and believe me, nothing like that happened. So we have a breakdown this video, but before we break it down, I want to watch the full video, the part of what me I talk about. Let's go.
Bro. And if a man have a look at the difference, bro, if a man love that platform, a man now bring him different for the stage, God believe in that. Come like I want to run out, a bigger boom than my R.I.P. youth. You know, for me, I come from a friend to that. You know what, he has me no return that. You know what, every bit what you want to say, and the man want to say. That's up back your woman. I want to you, boy. Someone, I'll come down. I want someone.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go over this video bit by bit, me and all of you, and we're gonna break it down and look at this video. Let's start right here. For argument's sake, we're doing this in a little bit of slow motion. You see, General B is on the stage and him attack. He's saying, yo, you know, we have to support each other. You understand? Because he brought that guy in the jean jacket outfit on stage come sing. Now when he said that, Toddler that's in the audience said something, and General B answer back to Toddler. Now Toddler said to General B, suck your mother. And that's when this guy right here come and I tell him, say no. But let me stop it right here. If you look at this picture, I can stop the video. We just want to talk about this section right here. When Toddler tell General Degree go suck your mother, General Degree say go suck back your mother. Now, when he said that, the guy where I play the music, the one in the white, see him step up to General B and tell General B, say listen, Ray, you can't say that. So right away, the odds was against General B. Well, General B need to know, say yo, the whole of them man there are gunman and the whole of them are family. I never explain that to you, but make a watch the video. Check this out. Let's continue watch it. So, say General B, him did the attack, and the man I say, Ray, here comes Mickey. Him come out, and I say, yo, and I take the mic. So you know, say Mickey them around the thing. You understand? And him and General B attack. See it right there, so? And them attack General B, I say, yo, what kind of idiot thing that? Now, see Harry Toddler there, walk up there, so see my walk back, the fat youth there on the right hand side. So Harry Toddler walk up and make certain statement too. So now, say General B, go in at the back and go on at the back. Everybody, want to watch, you know. See him go around there. Then Mickey up on stage, see him touch a thing. Mickey now tell the youth in the white, say listen, go play some music. Him drop him phone, him pick it up. Him say go play some music. So the man start play the music. Them they round there, attack. If you look to the right, you see to the right there, so see the youth there. We are play the music in the white. Look to the left, you see some man there right there, so in the video you hear the noise and them they attack and thing. After that, watch this. See the noise get loud, the man them look round there. Me are looking out, the man them look round and see where I go on. Me don't know how my youth same get stabbed up. When name Harry Toddler said my youth stab him up. Alright, see them come back out front now. See there, General B come on stage like him have something in him little funny pack right there. So here comes Mickey, and Mickey push him off of the stage. You see the youth in the yellow that are Ken, and Ken a family with Harry Toddler and the whole of them and Mickey. So right there, so them run this thing. So we went over the video. Now, where did my youth General B rush Harry Toddler and him have to go lock up in a room round at the back and try to stab him up? It's a blatant lie. Harry Toddler them a tell. You see the youth in the yellow? That's Ken. That's family with Harry Toddler and the youth, the Mickey. All of them are family. As you can see, General B now have no support, no friend in that crew there. For some reason, them are hate upon the youth there. But like me tell General B, the man them a Jamaica wicked my youth. You understand? And you don't want to get caught up in a certain thing. Cause you know say up a Ken cat right there, so I feel them stronghold. Even though no man not dead, up in a Ken cat, okay, is a very dangerous place. People still get shot. See them just shot Dog Paw. Wait name there. Dog Paw second. You understand? Them get rid of him. You understand? Them just kill a taxi man over there. So you see in that little area there, a straight family thing, my youth, General B. And you have to know that. Now, like I said, I do that video here to disprove what my youth Harry Toddler saying at the voice note. I don't have the voice note, but the voice note is out there. I not even want to hear Harry Toddler voice. I don't want to listen to it. But, like I said, I listen to it on the internet, but I don't save it. Because I don't want to keep on listening to it. But, Harry Toddler, I lie. The man them at Jamaica wicked no blow out. Yo, them shouldn't deal with General B like that. Them a come from far. And General B need to leave them company. The video when I show, I will walk through the video in a slow motion. it show everything where me I talk about. Say, listen, General B never stab him up or stab off him and him have to run in a room or nothing. It's actually him. We attack the man verbally and then the man say, go suck back your mother. And then that's when Mickey and the boy in the yellow, cause a long time them did it, like me say, them a guard Harry Toddler, cause them a family. You see what I'm saying? And that's how the thing said. Yo, General B, Lego, Harry Toddler, them company. Them a straight gunman and them a straight wicked. You understand? And you know how Jamaica stay, you know them stay. So, watch yourself, that's all me have to say. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.